In this video, I'm gonna show you how this Faceless AI channel is making over 15K per month. Let's take a look at it together. If we sort the views that the channel gained in the last 30 days, that's 2.9 million views. It's a lot of views. Subscribers gained 33,000. Videos published, only 6, so not that much. And estimated earnings, 5K to $15,000. Imagine opening up your laptop and you go into YouTube and you see on January 27, you made between $133 and $400. And on February 9, you made between $243 to $730. Now, usually, to be honest with you, these softwares are not great at estimating how much a channel actually makes. Usually, they undershoot it. In reality, the person makes a lot more, especially if they don't only rely on ad revenue and they sell their own products, preferably digital products. So by digital products, I mean things like ebooks, online courses, it could even be coaching, these kinds of things. And myself, I've made a lot of money selling high-ticket programs, online courses, etc. I mean, those, for example, are literally payment notifications I get on my phone, and sometimes, for fun, I screenshot them. And also to remind me, like, it's pretty insane, when you get those notifications. And when you get them daily, like, your life just becomes insane. So let's take a look at the channel. As you can see, it's a fitness channel. However, we don't see anybody's face, right? It's a character. And before AI was a thing, if I saw something like that online, I would think, oh, this must be so difficult to make. Like, this kind of content, it must be horrible. Like, it must take like weeks to make one single video because somebody would have to draw the characters, somebody would have to animate them, then put the music, etc., edit it. It would have been a nightmare. But now, thanks to AI, you can get this kind of content done pretty quickly. Let's go into his videos and let's sort by most popular. 5 months ago, he got a video called Why Training Your Neck Changes Everything, and it got 3.4 million views. So let's see together what this is really about.
Stuck because your arms are small. It's because your neck is missing in action. You grind chest, back.
So as you can see, it's like very simple animations. The editing is a bit more advanced in this type of faceless channel, to be completely honest. However, you don't have to make the drawings yourself, like the AI does it for you. If you wanted to open up a faceless channel a couple years ago, really like in 2020, you would have needed to pay somebody to do every single step, like to edit the video, to make the script. Nowadays, you can use an AI to make the script. For example, an AI I really like to use is Claude AI. It's revolutionary. It's one of the best AIs for writing, much better than ChatGPT. And then you would also have to pay somebody to record the video, like the script, unless you wanted to do it yourself. But if you wanted to have multiple channels and you wanted this to be a more passive kind of business, if you had to record every single video using your voice, that would have been time consuming. It would have put strain on your voice. It's not easy to just make content all the time using your voice. And then you sort of kind of expose yourself on the internet in a way, even though you use an alias, it's a username, it's still your voice. And I know some people are not comfortable with that. So that's the kind of content. Now the question becomes, how do we remake similar kind of content? Well, first, there's the idea. Like, how do we know which video is gonna be a good video idea? How do we know which video to remake? Well, it's simple. You're gonna go on YouTube and you're gonna find similar channels. So for example, in the fitness niche, this is one. Now, I have to mention, you can do this in every single niche. In cooking, in fitness, in investing, in self-improvement, literally every single niche. For example, this again is a faceless channel. I don't really know what it's about, just based on that. There's another one, as you can see, Trainer Winnie. This one is about dating. This one seems to be about fitness. This one is about dating again. If we look at this channel, it's a faceless channel. It's not really like drawings or animations. It's more like they just put B-roll together. But they've got hundreds of thousands of followers, and this kind of thumbnail, you can take that kind of thumbnail, make similar content like this. For example, like Captain Workout. There's tons of other channels like this with like a superhero kind of character. But as you can see, this kind of thumbnail, this really works, like 844K views. That's a lot of views. So if we go on this other channel, for example, we sort his videos by most popular, and we're gonna, first of all, remake the most popular videos. If I go on Captain Workout's channel, go into the videos, sort by most popular, if you were to start a fitness AI faceless channel right now, First, remake the most popular videos. Don't go to like oldest and remake a random video. Sort by most popular, remake these videos. And the trick is to remake the videos which are also most recent. For example, in here you see videos which are 5 months old, 6 months old. It's still extremely recent. Usually it's like years old. For example, this one. Yeah, if we go to most popular, as you can see, they were most popular 2 years ago, 1 year ago. I still advise that you remake them. However, as you can see, this one, for example, was most popular 2 months ago. So that's a sign you should remake that kind of video now, because you're twice as likely to just go viral with this. And once you go viral, usually like it just compounds into so much more growth on YouTube, which means more views, more income, and just a better life in general. Now, part 2 is the script, like I said. So for the script, we're going to use this AI. It's just called Claude AI. That's it. You can use the free plan, so it works the same way as ChatGPT does. You go to Claude AI, and then you simply make an account, and you can write your script. So basically, for example, what I would do is I would go on this video, say I was going to remake this one. What I like to do is go into the transcript, toggle the timestamps so you don't have them. I like to select all of it, copy it, and then I'm going to go to my Claude AI. Now, I'm not logged in right now, but I would go to Claude AI and basically ask it to remake a similar video titled this, and then I paste the script. And obviously, we don't want to copy word for word because otherwise you're not bringing anything new. And that's not how you differentiate yourself. That's not how you stand out. But it's going to give you a very good script, which is similar but also different. And with Claude AI, they also have what they call writing styles, meaning you can type a script. For example, you type a paragraph yourself into Claude AI, and they will analyze your writing. And then with every script that you make in the future, you can toggle on a feature where basically the AI is gonna write like you did because they analyzed your writing. This is incredibly powerful. Whenever I'm doing like facecam videos and I use a script, I'm not writing the script myself. I might be making bullet points, that kind of thing, but then I just tell the AI to write the full script. Because, I mean, a couple years back, around 2021, I think, I had another YouTube channel and I was making a daily video. And the thing I was doing is I would literally just write the scripts word for word in Google Docs. I didn't even have a teleprompter at the time. So I would literally stare at my phone, then stare at the camera, memorize 2 sentences, stare at the camera, and like repeat it. It was horrible. So no wonder why I burnt out at the time. Now that we've got the idea of the script, like how do we have the voice? We're not going to use our voice. We can use an AI voiceover. Now, a few years ago, they completely sucked. Like, that's crazy. But nowadays, if you simply type free AI voiceover in Google, you will find plenty of sites which offer AI voices to record the scripts for you. Some of them are free, some of them are cheap. Usually the best ones are going to be paid. For example, 11 Labs, I love it. It is expensive, but it is well worth the money. Now, if you want a free version, you can go to this site. It's called Google Voice. It generates speech with the Google Studio. Now, I'm not logged in right now, but if you go to this site, you just log in and you will be able to essentially have the AI read the script for you. Now, part 4 is going to be the editing. Now, depending on what kind of editing you want to do, it will be more or less complex. You can have a very basic editing where it's just pictures and the pictures change, kind of like a diaporama with subtitles. This works pretty well. Now, not in every niche, it depends. What I suggest you do is you analyze the editing style of the faceless niche you want to be in, for example, fitness in this case, and you see like how complex is the editing style, and then you try to replicate it. And always ask yourself, since I'm going to be the one editing the video, if you are, at least initially, I'm assuming you're going to be, always ask yourself, like, how can I make it take the least amount of time possible on my side and still make a lot of money? Now, once you've got the editing done, how do we make the thumbnail exactly? You can go on a site called Whisk AI, and what you're going to do is you're going to give it your character, so you upload the character image. So for instance, my AI made this faceless image of a personal trainer, so that's something I could be using, and then I'm going to ask it to make a thumbnail for it. So what I like to do is, say I wanted to make a video on if you're skinny fat, do these exercises, I would simply go on the video, get the link. There is a site called Thumbnail Downloader. It's this YouTube thumbnail preview. Any site that lets you download the thumbnail, I would download it. Then I would put the image in ChatGPT and I would ask it to describe the thumbnail. And then I would tell this AI, selecting my character, I would give it the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. And then it's going to generate an image which will be extremely close to this. and it will still be different and unique. Again, a couple years ago, you had to have somebody actually draw it. Nowadays, the AI does it for you. It is absolutely insane. It is mind-blowing. And then part 6, very simply, is to upload the video. Now, for best results, I recommend you post daily. Especially since it's faceless AI content, it takes a lot less work to do. So there's no excuse not to be posting daily. Now, at first, don't be posting twice a day. It's a lot. You can post once a day. At the bare minimum, once every 3 days. But if you really want the best results possible, you can post once a day right from the start. Now again, it's one thing to make videos and to have an audience that starts to build. You need to actually learn how to monetize it properly. So for a limited time, I've made a free training that shows you exactly why this is a crazy business model, why anybody can do this as a beginner, even with limited time, limited money, and no previous experience. You don't need to be an expert because we leverage AI and other people's knowledge and expertise to do it. So you are literally the mastermind behind this media empire. And then I'm going to show you also how to monetize your channel as quickly as possible. Because if you only rely on AdSense revenue, meaning the revenue you get from ads playing on your channel, on your videos, you're literally leaving 90% of the money you could be making on the table. Like genuinely. We also want to sell digital products. So check out the link in the description below. There's the free training, and for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. And on that call, we will give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can start a faceless AI YouTube business too. But we've got very limited spots for that. So check that out now, and I will see you on the other side.